新年はいかがでしたか？私は朝の授業からスタートした。素晴らしいスタートだね。So these few days have been really good because I have classes. I also have a lot of time with my family. We played a lot of mahjong and I also had a great meeting with my business partners today. It was great and we are off to a good start. I can't wait to start sharing with you guys. So if you would like to know how I'm doing all these, like traveling, teaching, digital business, and still having all these energy, well, just DM me. Anyway, I can't wait to go to Taiwan next week. Oh yeah, I love the weather. It's going to be between 16 degrees Celsius and 20 degrees Celsius, and I can't wait. I really am so sick of the hot weather here. So anyway, this was my 4th day in Taiwan. It's in Taipei, and we took the train, the earliest train to Taipei. It took about only 3 hours, and I started from Ximending, of course, and we traveled to 淡水老街. It's really nice. I love the weather, even though it's a little bit foggy. Oh well. And then we went to 士林夜市. It's not as buzzing as the past. I don't know, maybe I went too early.